If you are a marketer, then you may know that a good quality product photo or product ad can drive huge sales. However, creating a professional-looking product ad is a very creative and time-consuming task. You have to spend hours in Photoshop or Illustrator to create this kind of product image. Now, what if I tell you that you can create this kind of product ad within a few seconds? Yes, that is possible. With the help of AI, you can even create a fashion model like this. Today, I will share the method of creating product ads and fashion models using an AI tool called Pic-CoPilot AI. So without further ado, let's dive in. Pic-CoPilot is one of the best AI tools to create product images that sell your product. This amazing platform is equipped with a product image tool, apparel tool, a vast library of high-quality templates, and even image and video translation along with other features. I will put the link in the description. Once you are on this page, click here and then create an account. Once you are logged in, your interface will look like this. Here you will find all the tools and templates. Now imagine you have a basic product image like this, and you want to create a product ad for the new year. To do that, go to the Template tab from here. Now you will find all the product ad templates. You can set filters for marketing themes, categories, and sizes. Set your filter and then choose the best templates. For example, I want to use this template. After selecting the template, click on the Use button from here. Now we have to upload the product image. Once the image is uploaded, it automatically removes the background like this. However, if you face any problem, you can fix it or even manually remove the background. In my case, the AI works perfectly. Click on Confirm Upload from here. This is the template editor interface. Here you can notice the product we uploaded. Now we have to adjust the size and position. Adjust the size and position of the product image and other elements. If you want to change the templates, you can select and replace the templates from here. I will use the existing one. Once done, customize all the text according to your needs. For example, I am changing the slogan. If you need a new text block, you can add it from the top of the page. After adding the text block, customize the text as per your need. Next, you will find the stickers. You can search for them according to the type of sticker. For example, I want to add a Buy Now sticker. After adding the sticker, customize it as per your need. Once you are done, hit the Generate button. Now, AI will follow a total of 3 steps to create our final design. It will take some time, so let's fast forward this part. Here it is. You can see the result. Pic-CoPilot generates an amazing result. Now, if you don't like the result, you can adjust the design again and then hit the Regenerate button. Here are the new versions of the product ads. To download the image, click on the Download button, and our image is now saved on our device. Often, we face challenges while creating mockups for clothing products. To solve this issue, you can use the Virtual Try-On feature. After selecting the tool, choose Clothing Types. As I have both the top and bottom outfits, I am selecting the full outfits. Now we have to upload the top outfit image here, and then the bottom from here. After uploading the product's basic image, click on the Confirm button. Once you are on this page, you have to select a model image from here. You will find models for females, males, and children. If you want to use your own model, then you have to use the Custom option. Once you are on this page, you have to upload 1 to 4 reference images. Make sure the model faces the camera and the head and hands are fully visible. Once done, hit the Create Now button. After waiting some time, you will get a result like this, and the quality is quite impressive. Now you don't need to do a photo shoot every time to create fashion model images of your clothing product. Just use the Pic-CoPilot AI and you are done. It will save you time and money. Using this same method, you can create mockups with the system models. You just have to select the models and then hit the Create Now button. Here is the result we got. All of them are just amazing. I love all the results. They are just perfect. Now imagine you have a basic and unprofessional model mockup image, and you want to create a supermodel image or a consistent character model with the same face. Then select the AI fashion model from here. Now upload the basic model image. Once the model image is uploaded, click on the Edit Selection area from here. Ensure the area you want to keep in your image is selected. Once you are done, click here. Now we have to choose a model from here. Review some of them and then choose the perfect one. After that, set the hair color and background scene. Once you are done, hit the Create Now button from here. Wait some time, and here it is. Our supermodel is ready. You can see that Pic-CoPilot changed the model but kept the outfit the same as our basic model. That's amazing. Using this method, you can create unlimited clothing mockups with the same model. Now imagine you want to go global. You can do it with Pic-CoPilot. You can use the image translator to translate your design. Once you select the feature, you have to upload the design. After that, on this page, select the translation engine, original language, and target language. You can add up to 20 designs or images at a time. Once done, hit the Translate button. Here you can see the translated version of our design or product ads. Now, what if you have a video product ad? Then you can use this AI dubbing tool. After selecting the tool, upload the video clip. Once the video is uploaded, select the original language and hit the Confirm Upload button. It will take some time to upload and analyze the video. This is the AI dubbing interface. Here you can see the original language transcription. If you think there are any issues, fix them. After that, come to the left side. Now we have to select the targeted language voiceover. Select the gender and then the targeted language. You can use as many options as you like. Next, if you want to remove the original video background sound, you can do it and add new background music. Once everything is set, hit the Create Now button and then wait some time or grab a cup of coffee. Here is the Spanish version of our product ad. This is just awesome. I like it. Now, if you want to add an avatar to your video, then you have to use the AI Avatars tool. After selecting the tool, upload the video clip and then select the video language. Now, hit the Confirm Upload button. After coming to this page, customize the transcription if needed. After that, select the targeted language, avatars, and other settings, just like AI dubbing. Once everything is set, hit the Create button from here. As it will take some time, I will fast forward this part. And here it is. You can see the result. This is really awesome, and this is not the end. There are so many tools or features available on Pic-CoPilot. You can generate AI product backgrounds, remove backgrounds from an image, and much more. We talked about these in this video. You can watch it from the I button. In conclusion, Pic-CoPilot is a one-stop solution for e-commerce websites and marketers. This amazing AI image generator and editor saves users a lot of time and money. You can even make money with Pic-CoPilot by selling the service on various marketplaces, so you should try the tool. The link will be in the description. Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about Pic-CoPilot AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section. If you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. See you again.